Hi Nasima. I've had a project here because somehow my computer is misbehaving. So I've even moved now to voice recorder. I think do that. Record with voice recorder, then you can import both the video, your video plus that recording onto Rush. So firstly, move all the way to 49 because I think I was talking stuff that didn't record. Now it's a waste of time. Go straight to 49. Okay, 49 seconds, I think. Yeah, and then you can start there. So what you'll see there is I went to create new project, and then it opens where you go and select the video. Look for your video wherever it's sitting and you load it. Now that you have created a project, you see that is your project. Now you can start working on your recording. I'm trying to follow the cursor here, so please bear with me. So you will see on the right, you have that sound thing where the cursor was just now. That's where you're going to switch off the volume of the video instead of the mute thing that you see at the bottom left there. Once you open the thingy, you'll see it has a clip volume. You can drag it down to 0. Now you have a clip that is not going to have volume. You go back. So you would have recorded there. That is not working. I've used it before. It worked perfectly. But yeah, don't go down that route. Now there I was just recording a small clip so that we can have a bit of sound on the video. There's no need for all of this. Unfortunately, because I'm using the previously recorded video, we have to wait until we can start rendering the video and exporting. How you do that, you go to share, top left, you see the share there. Then when you move to the middle of the screen, you change. So there you would have changed the name of the file before you go to export. And then you change the location so that your video sits where you want it to be. Then you can export. Now it's rendering, so we wait. You have now your video, you are done. Now you can go to your location. Don't mind that. I think it's if you're not careful, it will make you render the video all the time. So once we're done with the video, it jumps back to the rendering part of the screen. So don't do that again. You do it once and that will be fine. You then go to your location to find your video. I hope this helps.